Presenting LSRP'S Universal Fit Bheema Series Heavy-Duty Metal Stand. This multi-purpose trolley is suitable for fully automatic front loads from 6 kilograms to 9 kilograms capacity from all the leading brands. The top loads from 6 kilograms to 12 kilograms capacity of all brands. The refrigerators single door, double door, and triple door from 170 liters to 440 liters, and the dishwashers of all brands from 8 place to 16 place. The Bheema is an ideal choice for the high RPM washing machines such as heavyweight front load with 1200 RPMs to 1600 RPMs. It has got unmatched strength being made with heavy metal. It has got 200 kilograms load carrying capacity. It has got unmatched durability. The unique curved design with industrial grade powder coating doesn't let the water stay on its surface and hence provides it with better durability. The Bheema is adjustable from all sides. Just loosen the size adjustment knobs given on each side of the stand to adjust its size. It has got extension locks given on each side so that while adjusting the legs don't come out and help to add more convenience to your DIY spirit. It comes with grip pads on all the corners for the better grip for the appliances kept on this stand. It has got unmatched stability and sturdiness. The unique Hex D high suction jacks absorbs all the vibration generated by the washers, create a suction lock with the floor. Its optimally soft rubber makes it perfect for all types of floor surfaces, from slippery tiles to rough surfaces. To fix the stand, first tighten the jacks against the floor completely, then tighten the given nut to lock it. To move the stand, first loosen the nut lock, then loosen the jack completely, as being shown in the video. These jack rods are zinc coated for better prevention from rusting, and the additional nut support offers better locking and strength. It has got heavy powder coated metal wheels to effortlessly carrying and moving with 200 kilogram weight. The solid PVC core wheels provides the movability, and the heavy gauge metal jacket provides the strength. The wheels are 360-degree rotatable. These wheels have got heavy ball bearings